Today, we will learn how to set up surge pricing. To begin, navigate to the surge pricing screen. The admin can select the vehicle type and pricing screen from the left side of the menu. At the bottom, the admin will find the surge price option by clicking on the Add New button. The admin can now set up the surge price. Once the title for the surge is set up, the admin can define the timing boundaries for the surge. They can specify the start and end time for the surge pricing to be active. Moving on, the admin can select the days or specific dates and times for the surge pricing to be active. Based on these specifications, the surge pricing will be activated for the selected day or date. Next, if the admin wants to set up surge pricing for a specific location, perhaps where an event is being held, they can do so by entering and selecting the location. Once the location is selected, they can define the boundaries for that location. Surge pricing will be applied only for trips originating from that particular location. The admin also has the option to set up a fixed surge amount or to multiply it by a certain value. Lastly, the admin can select the configuration of the surge prices and also create surge pricing for specific vehicle types. The surge price will be activated only for trips made with that particular vehicle type. By clicking on the Create button, the surge price will be created, but it will not be active immediately, as the default surge price will be inactive. To activate the surge price, the admin has to click on the inactive status. After providing confirmation, the surge price will be activated for normal users. So that's how surge pricing is set up. It's a great tool to increase pricing for specific events or locations.